Stock Whisperer. What's up, guys? I already did the main video. It was like a one-take 26-minute video on my Free From It All channel, okay? But this is my second channel. This is a channel I'm trying to aggressively build to 1,000 subs so that I have just like a second backup channel for YouTube, okay? Just in case. Now, anyways, plus it's a homage to my kitty, who's no longer with us. Now, this is the SEC. This is the investor relations, okay? This is the SEC filing. This is the investor relations that they filed yesterday, okay? We're just going to touch base, go through it. You go there, investor relations, click it, boom, takes you here. And this is what you see. It's not daunting, okay? For Redbox, guys, I did one with 580 plus pages. This is literally 2 or 3 pages. 2 or 3 pages, okay? Who cares? This is nothing. Skip all this. It says it's for AMC. Okay. What is happening here is they're saying, yeah, we agreed to settle. Okay. And as part of the settlement, for every 1 share, you already know all this, I'm sure. But there's some things in here you might not know, okay, that are important. And I've got some other information that it might be very critical or important for you, especially a date. Okay. For every 7.5 shares, you guys are going to get 1 share. Okay. This is bad. This is not bullish because they're taking from you to give to you. What they're doing is they're taking 7.5 and they're turning it into 8.5, which is called dilution. They're not actually giving you anything. Okay. And I'll explain that real quick in a sec. They go through and tell you that they are adding shares so they can bring it from 524.17 million to 550 million. And why they're doing that is because it's going to be a nice, easy number for math. 550 million AMC, 950 million APE. Add them together, what do you got? 1.5 billion AMC with a shelf on AMC that they're apparently not obligated to get rid of, and APE, which apparently they're not obligated to get rid of. Some very sketchy, scary things here. Okay, that is sketch and scary. If they... at worst, they should have to be, APE should be gone forever with this move because no one agreed to that kind of dilution with AMC. Another discussion for another day, I guess. I've already talked blue in the face on this. So anyways, so they're going to make it a nice, easy number. But then after they do that, after they do the reverse split, that's when the 4.4% more shares are going to be distributed and divvied out to you guys, which is again going to increase the float by 4.5%. Okay. Now, as part of this, okay, I saw this from Benzinga earlier, which I mean they're mostly garbage, but this seemed to be actual information because it gives you a link to investor relations. I've emailed investor relations, but it does give you a link. So, and what they say here. What they say, I don't know how well you can see that. You can probably see that decent. Let's try this. Okay. What they say is the parties anticipate that the share distribution will be made approximately 10 days after the company files for stock exchange approval of the conversion and reverse split, which is expected to occur on Tuesday, April 4th. So 10 days from now, it's the 4th, 10 days from now, and this is next Friday. Meaning, if they can't distribute the shares until after the reverse split, I would imagine that means that the reverse split takes place next Friday, and then they give the shares. So that's very important. I don't know if anybody you're following has told you that. So, email investor relations if you have questions. I'll let you know if they get back to me. Secondly, I need you to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video, especially to Weeble, because I'm Canadian. I don't have a Weeble. So if you've got some information, please do that. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subs on this channel. I need your help, for real. And, lastly, if you want to be up on this and trading strategies and this information, because this is a video you're getting way late in the day. My Discord already got this information yesterday and today. join my Discord. The link is right here, okay? It's in the description. It's right there. It's $30. It's $1 a day. I'm definitely going to be making you more than $1 a day, I would imagine, with the information I'm handing out. Now, lastly, before I let you go, the next video I upload, it's going to be discussing the options chain and the opportunity that was created here, and basically how you could take as little as 3,200 and change, like $3,200, and get $1 million return within 52 weeks. It's not bogus. It's not clickbait. It's all legit. I'm already doing this strategy myself, and I'm on the way. It was a successful last week with MCB and with FRC. Okay, and that's over and above like covered calls on Intel or cash secured puts, and we did CCL. There's a lot going on, okay, but it the easiest way to follow that. So if you don't know what the hell I'm talking about, you go watch the video, okay? And if you like what you hear, or you would like to say, hey, I'd like $1 million, then you join the Discord and become a member. Okay, there's over 400 people in there, guys. It's full of traders. Not everyone's just like following me. Okay, there's a lot of traders. These are just I'm a little more on the more advanced side, and there's some things I can see and point out that might not be as noticed by other individuals. So, and today AMC was one of those things. Like you look, guys, you look at AI. You see returns of like this, okay? You see returns of this. Do you want a piece of this, or do you want to sit in a play that maybe lost 22%, or have physical shares of AI because you FOMO'd into AI, even though I told my people it's going to Fibonacci retracement and save their ass? And I want to prove that to you guys right now. This guy tipped me $200 today, and he made bank. So in the gain section, okay, and that's how you should do it, by the way. That's called good karma. So he attached a receipt. Okay, it's not loading here. Okay, so he made, his name's Kakatorik. Okay, he had puts on AI, so he bet that it was going to go down. He made 103% return today, guys, which obviously, as you can see, that could have been significantly higher. Okay, significantly. It was up 1,900%. He made $1,431. Okay, $1,431, and he says right below it, "Thank you, Kevin, for calling this one out last Friday." Guys, today's late Tuesday. Last Friday, I sent you a receipt so you don't have to look for it. God bless. No, God bless you, bro. Hey, and this was my message in the Discord. I didn't say this on YouTube. YouTube didn't have this information. AI, 23% Fibonacci replacement would put it at 25.41 from $33 for next week. Just saying. It's because I'm not a financial advisor. I can't tell you to hit buy. I can't tell you to hit sell. I can't tell you to buy puts or short the stock or go buy calls or grab the stock. I can just say, I can give information. I can say this is what I'm doing. That's my next video. I'm telling you what I did with AMC and how I'm going to make some good-ass money on it. Okay? It's called out, guys. This was at noon, no less. This was at noon. The thing was still cooking. At noon, called it out on Friday, okay? And I give price targets. And where did she actually land today? Oh, lordy, guys. It wasn't pretty. It wasn't pretty. Look at this. 23.47. Well, beyond the Fibonacci retracement. They tried to pump it up. Smart money knows what's up, though, guys, okay? And this comes with experience, okay? You don't have to know everything. I will teach it in the course, in the Discord. I do weekend classes as well that you can, it's additional cost, but it's like Meet Kevin's is $1,200. Mohawk Dudes is $400. I charge $35. So I might go to 40. We'll see. I think 35 is okay right now, though. And those guys are pre-recorded classes. I want you to bring questions. I want you to ask. I want you to come in have questions ready, and we discussed it for like 2-3 hours. I did one on the weekend. We were supposed to be 2 hours. It was 3 hours long, okay? Because I want to create traders. So we got all these eyes on the market. I don't catch everything. I'm not God, man. I don't catch everything. We'll be in this together. You won't just be rotting in 1 or 2 plays your whole life. You won't be bagging BBBY until it goes to 0, or Mullen, or Vorb, or whatever. Okay, you're going to be learning how to trade and make money and seeing all sorts of different stuff. But I wanted to throw that out there and inspire you to go watch the video. But like and comment and subscribe based on this, and go check this next video out that I'm going to upload for you guys.